Hey guys, what's up? What's up? What's up? Standing in my shop today, finally in my shop. I'm gonna try and get some work done today. I have this one project that I've been putting off for way too long. It's a thing where you put a saddle on so that you can sit on the saddle and try it out and try the feel of it. So I have all the pieces cut out. I just need to kind of gather the pieces. So let's get something done today, guys. All right. So I made a bit of a rookie mistake, plenty of those in this workshop. I thought of drilling a big hole and then putting like a piece of the same wood in the hole to cover up the screws. I started off by just kind of countersinking normally. And then I found some screws that I wanted to use, and they are big and ugly and strong and, you know, plenty to hold the stability and the construction. So I needed to drill a hole in a piece, hold the piece on top of the hole that I already drilled, and then I'm gonna put my hole bit in my hole. I already did it on these two, so these are ready to be propped up. And on the other piece it's gonna be easier because I don't have to use my extra piece of wood to hold. I just need to be really careful that I drill straight down. Obviously some of you will know that the drill press would be ideal for this. I don't have one yet. That's why. So this little piece of equipment, this is where a drill press would be absolutely ideal, because there's no center in this one. So I'm gonna have to be really, like, I don't even know if this is gonna work. I'm just gonna go ahead and try. All right. Look at this. Look at this. It worked. Now to drill 4 more. I think I can get 2 at least out of each one that I drill out of this. So it's just a matter of holding it down quite steadily, and, you know, with all of the prongs in contact, and then just start out nice and easy and get the prongs to grab on the wood, and then just go ahead and drill. Coffee. Love coffee. Let's go. I'm gonna oil these guys up prior to the rest of the project, because these are Jatoba wood, a Brazilian or something like that, hardwood that has a tendency to drip when it gets wet. Kind of drips like red liquid onto other stuff. It's usually used for like terraces. It's a very, very hard, solid wood, but it has that downside. So I'm gonna oil it up before I put it on the project, and then I'm gonna unite the whole thing when they dry it off, and the rest of the project is oiled up as well. I'm gonna fill the holes with something called chemical wood, 2-component stuff that I'm gonna mix together and fill up much of the screw holes on the legs, at least, of the project. I'm not gonna worry about all these small holes. I specifically chose some rather small screws for those, and I'm not gonna fill them up. But the rest I am. So, on with it. Are you ready to see the grain pop? I quickly planed this one yesterday, and it turned out quite nice. Hey guys, so I already filled up all of the holes on the whole of the structure, as well as the ones on the top that I said I didn't plan on filling. So now I'm just scraping off the excess and trying to make it look pretty. It's gonna be noticeable. I'm hoping that the oil is gonna give it a little bit of a darker color so that it matches better with the grain of the wood. But we're gonna have to see, and at least there's not gonna be any screws visible. And it's finally delivery day, guys. Taking this thing with me to my friend's shop today. I'm gonna show you how it looks in the shop, guys. Stick with me.